Okay, so makita nyo doon guys, may mga tao nagpo-post doon ng mga proof of income nila, kung magkano yung kinita nila for this week. Okay, so may nakalagay doon na someone was able to earn $74 a week. So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jack once again from Jack Makes Money on YouTube. So we have another review video and also application process na ipapakita ko sa inyo sa isang website na naman po na na-discover ko na you can do part-time jobs or you can also perform it on a full-time job. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right to it. Make sure to tune in, tapusin yung video because it's very important na malaman mo lahat ng details. Okay, ciao! Hello guys, my name is Jack and welcome to my channel. Gumagawa po ako ng mga videos about money making online. So if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko. And you can get a chance to win weekly giveaway load. Alright guys, so before anything else, I just wanna congratulate our first lucky viewer for our 50 pesos load. So I've mentioned it in my last video, and the winner is Miss Lean Marie. So Miss Lean Marie, just check down the description down below kung paano mo po makiklaim yung 50 pesos load mo. And of course, shout out to these people for winning the comment of the week for our last week's video. Thank you guys for leaving a comment. So if you are new to my channel and if you want as well to be featured on my next video, just make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Okay, so without further ado, wag na nating patagalin pa. Let's get head straight to my screen so I can show you the website. Alright? Hi guys, this is the website po na tinutukoy ko, and this is called Remotasks. Okay, so ilalagay ko po yung link sa description so you don't have to worry about that. And ano ba ang remote task or ano ba ang trabaho na gagawin niyo po dito? Okay, so as you can see here, it shows how it works. So all you have to do is tag images, transcribe audio, moderate content, and there are a lot of other tasks po na pwede nyong i-perform dito. Okay, so these are the following tasks that you can actually do with remote task. So you can do image annotation, categorization, image transcription, comparison, audio transcription, and also data collection. So ang maganda po dito kay remote task guys is you will be paid for every accepted task. So meaning yung every task na gagawin nyo will not be paid automatically but will still undergo review. So may mga reviewer po sila dito, and usually it just takes within the day malalaman mo na yung result if yung task na ginawa mo is accepted or rejected. But don't worry, it's because remote task offers free training courses. So meaning bago mo mag-perform yung task na gusto mong i-take, you will still have to undergo free courses or trainings. Okay, and they strongly suggest that you take that training or that course at least 3 times before you start performing the task, just so magawa mo siya perfectly. Okay, it's because you cannot commit a lot of rejections, because if that happens, there will be a time na pwede nilang i-ban or i-suspend yung account mo. It's because they need to have 100%, at least 100% accuracy while performing the task. Yung mga free courses and trainings nila, it doesn't take a while, it doesn't take long. Usually it's just within minutes. And also it was mentioned here on their website that as soon as you sign up, you can earn immediately within the hour of your registration, which is good, right? So we all need, like, alam ko marami sa inyo ngayon naghahanap ng mga home-based jobs with our current situation. So this remote task is highly recommended po. Okay, so don't worry guys, because wala ka pong babayaran dito. And also, before I created this review video, I've done a lot of research kung legit ba siya, if nagbabayad ba siya, and of course I'll be sharing proof of income, okay, at the end of this video, and also some extra proof as well and extra tips and tricks on what I do para ma-perform ko yung mga task ko dito perfectly. Okay? So make sure na tapusin yung video. So basically guys, ang gagawin nyo lang po para makapagsimula kay Remotasks is simply sign up. Okay? So all you have to do is click on sign up here. Okay? And ang kailangan nyo pong gamitin dito is your Facebook account. And make sure na yung Facebook account na gagamitin nyo is verified yung email address. Otherwise po, hindi siya tatanggapin ni Remotasks. If you don't have a Facebook account, just visit Facebook and then create an account and then verify it through your email. Okay? And then, once you are in, since I've already created my own account, I'll just head straight to the dashboard. So, ganito po yung magiging page po pagkatapos nyo mag-register using your Facebook. Okay, so by the way guys, ang payment method po ng Remotasks is only through PayPal. So if you guys don't have a PayPal, I suggest you visit PayPal website. It's very easy to create an account. Yung mga task na pwede nyo i-perform. So all you need to do is to go here, the training part sa taas. Okay, and then from here, these are the projects na available po na pwede nyo i-take. Okay, as you can see there, they have language project, 2D projects, and 3D projects. Now, yung bayad nila sa inyo guys will depend on the complexity of your task. So, meaning, the more na mahirap yung task na gagawin nyo, the more na malaki yung bayad. So, potential income nyo po dito, I would say $3 to $5 an hour. So, that depends kasi I've been able to see, or I've seen a lot of people who are actually doing this full-time now, and ipapakita ko rin siya sa inyo mamaya kung saan ko nakita yung mga reviews na yun. So just to make sure na, you know, I'm giving you guys a legit website that can actually make you a living, or can also be an alternative source of income for you. Okay? So, ang maganda rin dito, you can do this, as mentioned earlier, part-time. You can also perform this full-time. And I know some students as well na ginagawa to like every time na pag-uwi nila ng bahay, or they just do this every weekends. It depends on you guys, okay? By the way, ano ba ang Remotasks? So, what do they do, and paano sila nagbabayad sa mga users nila? So Remotasks po is partnered with AI companies. So what is AI? It's artificial intelligence. So one famous AI products na meron sila, or yung mga partner nila, are self-driving cars. Okay? So basically, yung mga task dito is meant for improving those self-driving cars. So meaning, image annotation. So i-annotate mo yung mga, let's say, bibigyan ka nila ng image, okay? And then they will ask you to annotate this car, and then label them if it's like, if the car is moving, or if the car is on standby, or is it parked, and if the surface is can be taken by the self-driving car. So mga ganun po. And meron din po mga task na kailangan mo i-annotate yung mga traffic signs. Okay, so madami guys. So, and then lahat ng yun is my training courses, okay, na pwede nyo pong i-take. So ang pinaka-famous nila dito is itong LiDAR annotation. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko about self-driving cars. However, if bago ka pa lang, you can just start with their classic task. Subukan natin ng review nila or ng training course nila. So for example, for this image annotation, so ito yung parang sub-project nila na under this 2D image annotation. So i-click mo lang yan, and then ito yung mga training courses na kailangan mong i-take before you will be able to perform the task. Okay, so hindi ko natatapusin yung guys, yung training course, but I'll just give you like a glimpse. Okay, so as you can see here, estimated 1 to 2 hours to become an attempter for Neutron Instant SemSec. So ito guys, mahaba na to actually, itong 1 to 2 hours I would say, kasi yung mga previous training courses na na-take ko, it only took me I think 15 minutes actually. So after that, tinry ko siya agad. Okay, so I was able to earn at least $0.50 by performing the task, maybe another 15 minutes. Okay, so yun guys, na perform ko siya. Of course, I'm still a newbie by that time, so hindi ko pa siya gamay. But as you go along with the task and as you go along with the training courses, you'll become an expert, and actually, you know, repetitive task, magiging repetitive task na siya, and it will be much easier for you to perform na. And of course, as you become a master or an expert to the task, you will be able to perform more tasks and earn more as well. Okay? Ito yung ano guys, yung parang introduction page nila before you can start the training course. So nakalagay dito, the goal is kung ano ba yung objective ng course and the course agenda. Okay? So let's just click on continue. Okay? So ito yung overview guys ng magiging training course nyo. Okay? So yung mga special rules and all that. So ito yung sinasabi kong image annotation guys. So, kumbaga, maglalagay ka ng box sa object na i-instruct nila sa inyo na kailangan mong i-annotate. And then, pagkatapos nun, of course, may mga labels. Okay? So, ito yung mga kailangan mong i-review. So, according to Remotasks, for you to be able to be familiarized with the rules before being able to perform the task, they strongly suggest na you take the course 3 times. Okay, kasi in the middle of the courses, you will take quizzes as well. So may mga questions po na kailangan yung sagutin. And it's totally fine if magkamali kayo, kasi again, you can just take up the course as many times as you want. Okay, so ito po yung example ng kanilang training course. Okay, so as you go along guys, the more na marami ka ng training course na take, the more na marami kang task na magagawa na. Okay? So, I'm gonna show you what the dashboard looks like. So, basically guys, pag natapos mo na yung mga task mo, you can view it here on the task log. Okay? So, ito yung mga nagawa ko like a month ago. Okay? So, as you can see here, so ito yung mga kinita ko. Ito yung pangalan ng project, yung Sky Occlusion. So, again guys, nag-take muna ako ng training course before ko na-perform itong task ito. So I was able to perform 25 tasks. Okay, so sa 25 tasks na yun, I was able to earn a 0.4. Okay, $0.4. Mabilis ko lang itong nagawa. I think it only took me 15 to 30 minutes for this 25 tasks. Okay, sa previous one ko naman, meron din nagawa ko na rin itong vein, bayou. I don't know if tama ba yung pagkabasa ko. Pagkatapos nun, mapupunta siya sa dashboard mo. Okay? So, ito yung earnings na kinita ko by performing those tasks. Okay? Paano mo ba i-link yung PayPal account mo dito sa, kay Remotasks? All you need to do is click on this top right button where it shows your name, and then go to account. Then after that, dito po banda itong payment information. So all you need to do is to put your PayPal email address. Now, pag nasubmit mo na yun guys, so weekly na siya mag-payout sa inyo. Ang maganda kay Remotasks is they don't require a minimum amount bago ka makapag-payout. Okay, so kung magkano yung kinita mo within that week, by Monday, ipapasok nila agad dun sa PayPal mo, and then by Friday, you will be able to see it na magre-reflect na siya dun sa PayPal mo agad. Okay? And they also have a referral program. Okay? Ito rin yung maganda dito kay Remotasks guys. If you will be able to invite friends na mag-register and mag-work din po kay Remotasks, you will be able to earn $5 for you and your friend if they join Remotasks. But hindi mo siya agad makukuha guys, okay? May mga kailangan pang gawin yung ni-refer mo bago mapapasok itong $5 dun sa account mo. Okay? So if you already have an account, feel free to ilagay niyo yung referral link niyo dun sa comment section natin, just so yung mga future viewers natin can be able to use that as well. Okay? So that's basically it, guys. Yun lang po yung mga kailangan yung malaman before starting with Remotasks, and then after that you can actually just browse this page and then learn it on your own. Okay, kasi yung pag-visit ko dito, I actually didn't do anything. I just browsed the page on my own and was able to, naintindihan ko siya agad after browsing maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then nag-take na ako ng mga courses, and then nagsimula na rin po ako agad. Okay? So hi guys, welcome back. So that's basically it. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo is most likely mga basic lang, and yung mga kailangan nyo lang po malaman when you are planning to start with Remotasks. But I strongly suggest po na i-visit nyo lang yung website and browse everything. But the purpose of this is just to share you guys another website that you can actually take advantage of, so you can earn another, earn a few dollars an hour, and can be another source of your extra income. So kanina guys, na-mention ko na I'll be sharing a tip kung saan kayo pwedeng makakuha pa ng additional information about Remotasks. I've searched on Facebook a group, and the good thing is they actually have Remotasks PH group. Okay, I'll be putting the link on the description box as well, so you can visit that and join that Facebook group. Okay, so makita nyo doon guys, may mga tao nagpo-post doon ng mga proof of income nila, kung magkano yung kinita nila for this week. Okay, so may nakalagay doon na someone was able to earn $74 a week. So that's basically how much if ita times mo siya sa 50. I think that's more like 3,000 or to 3,500 something, $74. So that's already a lot for an extra, for a part-time job na ginagawa mo lang siya, let's say 1 or 2 hours a day. Okay? So again guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope na makatulong po ito ulit sa inyo. And again, if you want to win the 50 pesos load, just comment down below and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you also want to help others na magkaroon ng another sideline, just please share this video. Okay? And thank you guys, and see you on my next video. Ciao!